video, I'm going to show you how to convert meters per second into kilometers per hour. So in this question, we have to change 22 meters per second into kilometers per hour. And 22 meters per second just means 22 meters in 1 second, or 22 meters divided by 1 second. Okay, so the word per, or this slash here, represents division, okay? So if we consider the numerator first, so the 22 meters, if we're changing meters into kilometers, we have to divide by 1,000, okay? Remember, there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, so 22 divided by 1,000 is 0.022, okay? So we've changed our meters into kilometers. Next, we need to look at the denominator, so the seconds, and to change seconds into hours, we have to divide by 60 twice. Okay, so if we divide by 60 twice, it's like dividing by 60 squared. And 1 divided by 60 squared, well, I'm just going to write it as 1 over 60 squared, like that, as a fraction, okay? So by doing that, we've changed our seconds into hours. Okay, so the last thing now is to calculate, okay? So you have to divide 0.022 by 1 over 60 squared. So you're actually dividing 2 times, so watch out here. And when you calculate this, you should get 79.2. And remember, the units are kilometers per hour, which is written as kilometers/h, okay? And there is the final answer. So in this question, it says an athlete runs at a speed of 9.5 meters per second. Convert this speed into kilometers per hour. Okay, so remember, 9.5 meters per second is like saying 9.5 meters divided by 1 second. And if we look at the numerator first and change those meters into kilometers, remember we have to divide by 1,000. Okay, so 9.5 divided by 1,000 is 0.0095. Okay, so there we have our kilometers. And then underneath, we're changing seconds into hours, okay? And remember, to change seconds into hours, we have to divide by 60 twice. So it's like dividing by 60 squared. So 1 divided by 60 squared is the same thing as 1 over 60 squared. So we can just leave it as a fraction like that. Okay, and now our seconds are in hours. Okay, so the last thing you need to do is calculate. So remember, you're dividing 0.0095 by 1 over 60 squared. So you're dividing twice here, so be careful. And when you do that, you should get a final answer of 34.2. And remember, the units are kilometers per hour. So there is the final answer.